Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you're looking to learn how to write a solid reference letter, you've come to the right place. A well-crafted reference letter can make a big difference, whether you're recommending someone for a job, a scholarship, or another opportunity. In this video, we'll break down every part of the reference letter step by step, so you can write a letter that makes an impact. Let's dive right in. Sender information. Who's writing the letter? To start the reference letter, you'll want to include your personal details. This helps the reader know who's providing the recommendation and how to get in touch with you if they need more information. Here's what you'll need. Your full name, your job title, your company or organization name, if applicable, your address, city, state, ZIP code, your email address, your phone number. Including these details makes your letter look professional and allows the recipient to easily reach out to you for further questions or clarification. Date. When was the letter written? Next, you'll include the date when the letter was written. This is important because it shows the recipient when the reference was provided, which can be helpful for context. For example, January 4th, 2025. The date is essential because it helps the recipient understand the timing and relevance of your letter. Recipient information. Who's receiving the letter? The next section of your reference letter includes the recipient's details. You'll address the person or organization receiving the letter. This helps ensure the letter reaches the right person. Here's what you'll include. Recipient's name, recipient's job title, if applicable. Recipient's company or organization name, if applicable. Recipient's address, city, state, zip code. This section ensures your letter is directed to the correct individual or organization. Subject. What's the letter about? Now you'll include the subject of the letter. This line briefly explains what the letter is about, so the recipient knows immediately what it pertains to. An example could be, subject, reference for Sarah Johnson. This subject line tells the reader at a glance what the letter is about. It helps set expectations and provides clarity. Salutation, a friendly and professional greeting. Next is the salutation. This is how you address the recipient of the letter. If you know the person's name, use it directly. If not, a more general greeting works just fine. Examples include, Dear Jane Smith, or if you don't know the name, to whom it may concern. A polite and professional salutation sets the right tone for your letter. Opening paragraph, introduction to the person you're recommending. The opening paragraph is where you introduce yourself and explain how you know the person you're recommending. This is also where you'll give the reader an idea of what they can expect from the letter. In this paragraph, you'll include how long you've known the person, the context in which you know them, such as professionally, academically, or personally. A general description of the person's strengths or qualities. Example, it is my pleasure to provide this reference for Sarah Johnson. I have had the privilege of knowing Sarah for 5 years in a professional setting. Throughout this time, I have consistently been impressed by her dedication, professionalism, and ability to solve complex challenges. This paragraph helps the reader understand why you're qualified to recommend this person and what kind of relationship you have with them. Highlighting specific skills or achievements. In body paragraph 1, you'll focus on specific skills or achievements that the person has demonstrated. This is where you go into detail about what makes the person stand out and why you believe they are worthy of the recommendation. You'll want to include a specific skill or quality that makes them exceptional, a detailed example or situation that demonstrates this skill or quality. Example, Sarah has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills. For example, during the launch of a major product initiative last year, she led a team of 10, managing both the planning and execution of the project. Her ability to keep the team on track while addressing unexpected challenges was impressive. This experience exemplifies her ability to effectively manage responsibilities under pressure. This paragraph is where you provide concrete evidence of the person's strengths. Showing specific examples of what they've accomplished will make your recommendation much stronger. Discussing soft skills and character traits. The next section of your letter is where you focus on the person's soft skills and character traits. These are just as important as technical abilities. You'll mention qualities like reliability, integrity, communication skills, and how they work with others. Here's what to include. Mention key character traits such as honesty, teamwork, communication. Provide examples of how these traits manifest in their behavior or actions. Example: in addition to her technical skills, Sarah is known for her integrity and excellent communication. She consistently goes above and beyond expectations to support colleagues, fostering an environment of collaboration and mutual respect. This paragraph adds a more personal touch to your recommendation. It shows that the person is not only skilled, but also a great individual to work with. Closing paragraph, reaffirming your recommendation. In the closing paragraph, you'll reaffirm your recommendation. This is where you solidify your endorsement and let the recipient know why the person is a strong candidate for whatever opportunity they're pursuing. You'll also include an offer to provide more information if needed. Here's what to include: a confident statement that the person will be an asset, an invitation for the recipient to contact you for further details. Example: I am confident that Sarah would be an asset to any organization. Her skills, character, and achievements make her highly qualified for any role requiring leadership and innovation. Please feel free to contact me at 555-1234-567 or johndoe@email.com if you have any questions or require further information about Sarah. I would be happy to discuss her qualifications in more detail. This paragraph shows your full support for the person you're recommending and provides a way for the recipient to follow up if they want more information. Sincerely. Closing with professionalism. Now, you'll wrap up your letter with a formal closing. This is a polite way to finish the letter and maintain professionalism. You'll want to sign off with, "Sincerely, John Doe, Senior Manager," and that's how you write a complete and effective reference letter, step by step. I hope this breakdown was helpful and you feel ready to tackle your own letters. Make sure to personalize each section and provide specific examples to make your recommendations as strong as possible. If you have any questions or want more writing tips, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.